VoIP, or we can say Voice over Internet Protocol. It is a technology that helps for making phone call over the internet. In our day-to-day life, we are using our computer or laptop or web browsing like Facebook, Google, YouTube, right? But in terms of call, someday we are using our mobile phones or landline phones, which having some dedicated setup for making the call, which is a non-internet kinds of things. But this VoIP call helps us for making the phone call over the internet. That means we are making a call from one user to the another user, and everything is communicating through the internet. Now the question is, why you use the VoIP call? What is the advantages of using the VoIP? So there are lots of advantages of using the VoIP call over the analog phone or the mobile phones. The first and most important advantages of using the VoIP call is low cost. If we are using the mobile phone or the landline, we need to pay some specific amount of charges for the call. And it depends upon whether we are doing local call or whether we are doing international call. But if we are using the VoIP call or through the internet call, through using the IP phone, so the cost of the call is very low as compared to the mobile phones or other landline phones. And most of the IP to IP calls are free of cost, whether you are making the call over to the local or whether it may be international calls. That is the major advantages of using the VoIP call. Then the second advantages of using the VoIP call is no dedicated setup required. That means when we are using the analog phone, we need to have a specific space required to set up the analog phone, right? Cables coming to your homes, then it will be connected to all landline phones. But if you are using the VoIP phone or the IP phones, there only the Ethernet cable that we normally use in our computer. So same cable we can use it for making the call. Just insert this Ethernet cable to the IP phones, and we can make the call. So that is the bigger advantages of using the VoIP call. Or then the third advantages of using the VoIP phone or the IP call is can be called on any internet devices. That means it's not necessary that we are using the IP phone for making the VoIP call. We can use any device that is connected with the internet. Whether we can use our computer, whether we can use our laptops or the phones or the mobile phones that is connected over the internet. So in any devices, internet devices, we can make the VoIP call. So that is also one of the most advantages of using the VoIP. So that is the basic idea what is VoIP or voice over internet protocol. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next section of the video.